Hi there, little friends. Today, we're going to learn about the big and small letters in the alphabet. Let's start with the letter A and go all the way to Z. Here's our first letter, A. This is a big letter, A, and this is a small letter, A. Now let's move on to B. This is a big letter, B, and this is a small letter, B. Next up is C. Can you say C? This is a big letter, C, and this is a small letter, C. Here comes D. Can you say D? This is a big letter, D, and this is a small letter, D. Let's see the letter E. This is a big letter, E, and this is a small letter, E. Next is F. Can you say F? This is a big letter, F, and this is a small letter, F. Look, it's G. Can you say G? This is a big letter, G, and this is a small letter, G. Here comes H. Can you say H? This is a big letter, H, and this is a small letter, H. Next up is I. Can you say I? This is a big letter, I, and this is a small letter, I. Here's J. Can you say J? This is a big letter, J, and this is a small letter, J. Now, let's see K. Can you say K? This is a big letter, K, and this is a small letter, K. Look, it's L. Can you say L? This is a big letter, L, and this is a small letter, L. Here comes M. Can you say M? This is a big letter, M, and this is a small letter, M. Next is N. Can you say N? This is a big letter, N, and this is a small letter, N. Let's see the letter O. Can you say O? This is a big letter, O, and this is a small letter, O. Now let's see P. Can you say P? This is a big letter, P, and this is a small letter, P. Look, it's Q. Can you say Q? This is a big letter, Q, and this is a small letter, Q. Here comes R. Can you say R? This is a big letter, R, and this is a small letter, R. Next is S. Can you say S? This is a big letter S, and this is a small letter S. Here's T. Can you say T? This is a big letter T, and this is a small letter T. Let's see U. Can you say U? This is a big letter U, and this is a small letter U. Now it's V. Can you say V? This is a big letter V, and this is a small letter V. Here comes W. Can you say W? This is a big letter W, and this is a small letter W. Look, it's X. Can you say X? This is a big letter X, and this is a small letter X. Here's Y. Can you say Y? This is a big letter Y, and this is a small letter Y. And finally, the last letter, Z. Can you say Z? This is a big letter Z, and this is a small letter Z. Great job, everyone. You learned all the letters from A to Z. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be an alphabet expert. See you next time on Alphabet Adventure. Bye-bye.